Question: does it ever feel like you can never enjoy what you are busy with? Do you ever wonder why no matter what you are busy with, your mind is always elsewhere? Well, there might be an extremely simple reason for this. Your life lacks balance, and luckily for you, by the end of this video you will have a clear outline of how to restore this balance and bring back joy to your every moment. We will be taking a look at 5 key steps in stabilizing your everyday. Identify your priorities, create a schedule, learn to say no, practice mindfulness. This one is optional, but it works. Last but not least, take care of yourself. Let's start with the first one: identify your priorities. Your priorities are what you find important across the different facets of your life, like your career, hobbies, family, friends, etc. You need to identify what you find important as well as urgent. Because, once you have completed this step, you can start with step 2, creating a schedule. See, if you have identified your priorities, you will have a clear outline of the things you need to do, which means you will be able to easily place these activities in time frames in order to schedule them in such a way that you don't have to stress about them outside of those time frames. A schedule isn't 100% foolproof, and it has the flaw of being able to be overloaded. Remember, there are only a certain number of squares on a calendar, and only so many days in your week. Therefore, the next key ingredient to achieve balance is to learn to say no. It is extremely difficult, especially if in the moment it seems like an easy task. Also, when do you actually say no, and when do you say yes? Spoiler, there's a balance, and if you practice the first 2 steps you will be able to ascertain much more definitively what you can commit to and what not. The next thing, mindfulness, we have a comprehensive video on, so if that interests you it will be at the top right of the screen. Lastly, you need to take care of yourself. Not with a bunch of fluff bullshit from some AI YouTube channel, but really take care of yourself, as in all the little oddities you encounter in your mental and physical body needs to be investigated and cut off at the source, because otherwise they snowball and cause irreparable damage. And that is that, guys. I hope this helps you to achieve a healthy balance. Thank you for watching. See you next time for some more helpful information.